welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Good to see you all once again. So recently I uploaded a text poll on my community tab on my YouTube channel asking a question on which videos would you all like to see me upload more. And looking at the vote count, majority of you all decided to go for the making money online option. So yeah, it has been concluded. I'm going to be uploading more about making money online. And why am I doing this? Every day the world's changing. I know almost everyone, whichever gender, whichever status of life, you all want to improve yourself, you want to develop yourself, and at the same time you want to make money. Everyone's looking for money. And yes, I have been making a lot of money from different online websites. So I just decided to, okay, why don't I just teach people, why don't I just teach my audience how to make money, how I do it, how I make this amount of money from this website, that website, and so on. So that's the major reason why I decided to come up with this content. So as from now on, I'm going to be uploading more about making money online. Make sure you join me in this new journey because it's going to be an awesome one. Thank you all for watching. See you guys in the next video.